Have you ever pondered the legal and ethical challenges paramedics face in their everyday work? Every call, every patient, every life-saving decision is a tightrope walk across a complex landscape of law and ethics. You see, paramedicine isn't just about medical knowledge and quick thinking. It's also about understanding the legal responsibilities and ethical considerations that come with the job. Imagine being in the heat of the moment, with a patient's life hanging in the balance, and having to simultaneously consider the legal implications of your actions. It's like playing a high-stakes game of chess, where every move matters and the rules are constantly changing. And then there's the ethical side of things. What's right isn't always what's legal, and vice versa. Paramedics must navigate this gray area, often under immense pressure, making decisions that respect both the patient's rights and the law. So, the legal and ethical issues in paramedicine are not just about compliance, but also about providing the best patient care. Imagine you're on the scene of a severe car accident. You've got a critically injured patient who's unconscious. What do? Let's delve into a couple of real-life case studies. The first one is about John, a veteran paramedic, who responded to a similar situation. The patient was unconscious and couldn't give consent for treatment. John had to make a quick decision. He decided to administer life-saving treatment based on implied consent, a principle that assumes an unconscious patient would want treatment to preserve life. However, later it was discovered that the patient had a medical bracelet indicating a specific allergy to the medication used. This case underscores the legal responsibility of paramedics to thoroughly check for any indicators before administering treatment, even in dire situations. Now let's move on to the second case. This one centers around Sarah, a paramedic faced with a mass casualty incident. She had to decide who to treat first, a decision that seemed more ethical than medical. She chose to follow the principle of triage, prioritizing those with severe but survivable injuries. However, this meant bypassing some patients with less severe injuries who were in intense pain. It was a heart-wrenching decision, but one that underscores the ethical dilemmas paramedics often face. These cases demonstrate the intricate balance paramedics must maintain between their legal obligations and ethical considerations. So, what can we learn from these real-life situations? Well, a deep understanding of legal responsibilities and ethical considerations is paramount in paramedicine. These principles don't just provide guidance in complex situations, they also establish a framework for making sound decisions. It's not about ticking boxes or covering our backs. The real essence is to ensure we deliver the best possible care for patients. Remember, in the world of paramedicine, knowledge of legal and ethical issues is not just about protecting oneself. It's about ensuring the best possible care for patients.